Alibaba just launched Wan 3, and it's absolutely insane. The videos render in high quality, it accepts multiple references, and here's the crazy part. Wan 3 generates videos up to 30 seconds long. Using a model like this usually costs a lot of money, but the good news is, if you apply, you can use it completely free and unlimited. Before I show you how, here are a few videos I generated with this model. Everything you just saw was generated with Wan 3, and I didn't spend a single coin. Before we dive in, first like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon, because more tutorials on free tools like this are coming. Alright, let's jump into the tutorial. The only way to get this powerful model for free is through this hackathon. In your browser, search for Motion Mux Hackathon. Make sure you open the exact link that says Future in Motion, Global AI Video Hackathon. Right-click and open it in incognito mode. When you open this official link, it will take you to the official platform, and don't worry at all, it's safe, and most creators are already joining. You even saw it yourself on Alibaba's tweet. When you apply, you get free access. Winners will get cash prizes up to $10,300, and every creator who applies gets 5,000 credits worth $50. You need to hurry and apply immediately after watching this video, before the window closes on August 30th. To get started, click on Register on Motion Mux. You'll then be asked to log in or sign up. Since it's your first time, click Sign Up and enter the email you want to use. After entering it, request a verification code. It's sent in less than 6 seconds to a device you're logged in on. Enter the code, then verify and continue. You'll now be asked to enter a password for your new account. Enter something you can easily remember next time you log in. Confirm it by entering it a second time, and click Create Account. This brings you to the application page, and pay close attention. This stage is what determines whether you get free access or get everything wrong. It's really simple and only involves 3 stages: entering basic details, creative background, and entry choices. Step 1 involves entering both your names. The account email is automatically filled in. Then choose your country or region of residence. Choose whichever role best describes you, such as content creator, since it aligns with this hackathon. Enter your LinkedIn link or company website URL. If you don't have them, that's fine. Proceed to the next item, which is links to your social media accounts. For this, I'll enter my YouTube channel and click Continue to move to the next page. Here, choose your experience level based on how you've interacted with AI tools. For AI tools and creative experience, simply list the different AI tools you use. They can be tools for creating images, videos, music, writing, and brainstorming, or text-to-speech. Skip the portfolio link if you don't have one, and proceed. This brings us to the last step. Choose which kind of content you'd like to make entering the contest, say, narrative shorts. Choose whether you're working alone or as part of a team. Down here, choose how you heard about them. If it was through this video, choose Other and type in YouTube. The invitation code is optional. Scroll down, tick the boxes to agree to the terms, and submit your application. As you've seen, the whole process takes just seconds, and in a moment your application will be received, and as you can see, it's already been approved. I received 5,000 free credits immediately, and these are the credits you'll use to create content and submit if you want to compete for prizes. And you never know, you could end up as one of the winners. Now let me show you how to use these credits to start generating videos. First, click here to claim your package officially, and when you share it, you get an extra 1,000 credits. You can do this by either sharing this poster or posting about it on platforms like Instagram, X, or Facebook. Alright, let's generate some videos. Click Start Creating and create a new project by giving it a name. Once you confirm, the creation interface will open, and it looks clean and user-friendly. Here are your free 5,000 credits, and you can use this interface in 2 ways: Director Mode, where you generate one video at a time from a prompt, and Storyboard, if you want to plan scene by scene, especially useful if you want to create longer videos with consistent characters and visual style. Go ahead and skip the tour, since I'm going to walk you through every step. There are different options down here, but the one we're most interested in is this plus icon. When you click it, you'll see different features you can work with, but we'll go straight to video generation. Under models, you can use Happy Horse for text to video, image to video, or reference to video, but we're interested in Wan 3, and that's the reason I made this video. Go ahead and select it. When you open settings, you'll see different configurations. Set the resolution to 1080p, which produces high-quality results. Choose your desired aspect ratio. I'll select 16:9 for YouTube content. Like Seedance 2.5, Wan 3 lets you create videos all the way up to 30 seconds, which puts this model above everything else. Instead of generating 5-second clips and stitching them together in another piece of software, here you can create one long clip where everything stays consistent. Paste in your prompt and generate. You can also attach reference materials like an image, video, audio, or other files. Processing may take some time, and when it's ready, you'll see it appear here as an attachment. To view it, click here to download it first, and you can keep tracking the progress. Once it finishes downloading, click the folder icon and choose where you want to save it. Here's what I generated. Honestly, it feels like it came straight out of an animated movie or a major game studio. The video is generated with sound, the main character stays consistent, the motion is fluid, and it has multiple camera angles instead of feeling static. Using the exact same steps, you can go ahead and generate more videos. Here's another video I generated, based on a cinematic, realistic style. If you've watched this far, you've learned the full process to unlock free access. Hurry up before the window closes, and use this opportunity to generate videos with Wan 3, since the deadline is August 30th. And if this video saved you money, like it, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon to be the first to get notified of my next video. Happy creating!